Welcome to today's whiteboard video. In this short explainer, we'll explore the basics of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, and discuss how these technologies are shaping various industries and our daily lives. AI is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as speech recognition, problem solving, and decision making. Machine learning is a subset of AI where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. They improve their performance as they process more data, enabling them to make predictions and decisions. Deep learning, a more advanced subset of machine learning, uses artificial neural networks to process vast amounts of data, mimicking the human brain structure and function. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling early diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. Self-driving cars, traffic management systems, and public transportation planning are all benefiting from AI advancements. AI helps in fraud detection, risk assessment, and automated trading, making financial systems more secure and efficient. AI is transforming the retail industry through personalized recommendations, inventory management, and chatbot customer support. AI also impacts our daily lives through virtual assistants, smart home devices, and even personalized movie recommendations. As AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly play an even more significant role in shaping the future of various industries and our everyday lives. Thank you again for your time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative whiteboard videos like this one. By the way, do you want to know a fun fact? All the images in this video were created by artificial intelligence, as it is my voice. Did you figure it out?